Tara guys, kain tayo sa Marjuna Eatery. Sarap ng ulam nila dito. Subukan na natin. Buksan natin itong ref. Wow! Sarap! Fried chicken. At ito pa. Oh! At ito na nga, maraming ulam. Guys, kain tayo. Enjoy!
From Eat at Marjuna Eatery. See ya!
Sige. Okay, bye.